This is a time to say thank you from the source that made us all break through. Ancestors went through pain, allowing us to fully feel joy, unity, family, and safety they never could employ. Thank you, thank you, I'm wild. Breathe deeply from first charka, always leads me to the mantra. I listen to the source that says love out loud. Each time I do, a gift with love moves the crowd. Thank you, thank you. Oh, wow, what you call it is up to you. When you feel its energy follow through, the emotions light up and you say out loud, always feel grateful, true and proud. Thank you, I'm wow. I believe the people by the people, for the people. I'm living what I dream, so regal. Riding in the pickup truck on gentle horses that don't buck. Thank you, thank you, thank you, I'm wow. Thank you, I'm wow. Do I need to say more? Grateful energy, you are the source. Inner energy and outer movements, there's the fun. I have been given a gift I treasure and say out loud, we've won, we've won.